Are you ready, sir?
Yeah, ready. Oh God. Namaste or assalamu alaikum dosto. I don't stay in 5-star hotels for one very good reason, which I'll tell you about soon. But today, we are going to go and review Pakistan's only 5-star ski resort here in the beautiful Swat Valley. Now, I'm a very harsh critic because I'm kanjus and I don't believe that luxury hotels are worth the money. So let's see if this hotel overlooking the beautiful Hindu Kush mountain range can change my mind. And I'll give you the honest review because when I'm paying for 5 stars, I'm going to expect the best. Guys, look at this, look where we are. We're nearly there. Let me share a little brief history about this place and kind of why I don't stay in 5-star hotels as well. So the reason is, they're always the hotels, I'm slipping. They're always the hotels that are targeted by terrorists, right? So I just don't stay at 5-star hotels for security reasons. I think it's safer to stay at 3-star hotels. And this hotel that we're going to is kind of a case in point. In 2008, the Taliban burnt it to the ground and they've since rebuilt it. So that's what I mean. The Taliban ruled the Swat Valley for a couple of years until the Pakistan army kicked them out. It's of course safe here now.
Try not to slip.
I'm trying not to slip.
You can hold my shoes if you want to.
It's okay, I'm getting used to it. How does this guy not slip?
It's the way of walking.
What the hell? I gotta learn something new.
You can see he's not slipping a little bit, right?
No, he's not slipping at all. Shukriya ji. All right, we're just gonna sit down for a tea now and then we're gonna go check out this hotel and see all the activities because there's quite a lot there. There's chairlift, there's zip lining, there's skiing, there's trekking tracks, like it's a pretty sweet place. So yeah, let's go do that. We're just entering into the hotel now and I've never seen so much security in my life. I don't stay at 5-star hotels, so maybe they all have this in Pakistan, but I've never seen it before. There's like just tons of police everywhere, all over the entrance to this hotel.
दूसरे गेस्ट कौन है सर आपका?
नहीं, मैं अकेला हूँ भाई।
आप अकेले हैं?
हाँ।
और बॉस कहाँ से हैं?
न्यूजीलैंड।
न्यूजीलैंड से हैं माशाल्लाह।
हाँ जी, मुझे ये जगह बहुत पसंद है भाई।
न्यूजीलैंड में पहाड़ हैं सर इस तरह के?
नहीं, ये बहुत बड़ी पहाड़ है। न्यूजीलैंड में बहुत छोटी है ना।
माशाल्लाह सर, आपको उर्दू भी आती है माशाल्लाह।
शुक्रिया।
अच्छा लगा सर आपसे मिले। आइए मेरे को।
So I've arrived, I'm here in the room and it's kind of stunning. The hotel is beautiful as you enter and they've upgraded me to a suite. They don't know who I am, okay? They don't know that I'm a YouTuber or anything. They got no idea. They just said, we're gonna upgrade you, but please make sure you leave a review on booking.com. And I always leave reviews on Google and booking.com, so no problems there. So let me show you what I have here. So they've upgraded me to this suite and it's quite something. So this is just a room to chill out. There's a TV there. And before we go to the bedroom, let me just show you out the window. I guess this opens. Yep. Wow. Isn't that something, guys? Like, okay, location, like 10 on 10, man. This is where I'm gonna go and enjoy all the adventure activities soon. There's even a ski slope right over here. So yeah, okay, view, 10 on 10. I am really, really, really impressed. It's just stunning, it's just stunning. Let's go back inside, now into the bedroom. And wow. Got a table there so I can do my editing. Another couch to chill out on, eat there. Got my bed here. Like, yeah, just amazing, right? And more views outside. A normal room would cost 220 American a night. So I'm paying 220 for this upgraded suite. Now here's the bathroom. Pretty swish gold taps. And yeah, do you need to see that? Toilet. And then the shower. Very, very beautiful. And of course I have to have a gold handle, right? Man, this is like seriously the fanciest place I've ever stayed at in my entire life. The internet is pretty good. It's 10 megabits up, 10 megabits down. So, I mean, that's great considering the location we're in, right? Considering we're on the top of a snow-covered mountain, the internet is great. And cleanliness, like, no problems here. It's super, super clean. Everything's just spotless. All right, it's snowing like crazy outside, so let's go and try the food before we go outside and check out the activities and take that chairlift up to the top. And this is the dining hall. There's just one restaurant that's open here at the moment, and it's a buffet. And it looks right out here. It's all frozen. Usually you can dine outdoor here, but no, at the moment. All right, it's a buffet, so I've got a bit of everything. We'll see how the chefs are here. And let me just show you what I got, okay? So we have, I got this just so I can test out their Western. That is, I don't know the name, some kind of white sauce pasta we call it. This is chickpeas, we've got chicken Manchurian, we've got kebab. I know what the kebab looks like. We have naan, and we have this kind of hot and spicy soup. So yeah, we've got a mix. We've got Western, Pakistani, we've got Chinese, and Chinese again here. So let's quickly see how the food is here. Actually, they're bringing me some samosa, and the guy really wanted me to try pakode. People in Pakistan and India love to eat pakode, which is deep fried vegetables. When the weather's like that outside, okay, people love to eat pakode. So I'll try them as well. We'll see how the food is. I'll make it quick because I want to get out of here and go and explore outside, because this is just, I feel like a kid again, okay? Because, you know, I haven't spent much time in the snow, even in New Zealand. I was hoping to find something wrong, but the food is incredible. Out of this world. Only problem I would say is I would make the bread fresh to order, because out on the street, I can get I can get any bread fresh to order. That would be my only small criticism. I think it's time we go outside and explore now. So I have a series on my channel, and it's called You Won't Believe This Is India. I think this will be the first time I can say in Pakistan that I should make that video here. You won't believe this is Pakistan. It's just out of this world. Guys, I found the zip line, and you won't believe it. It goes from the top of the hotel. It goes from the top of the hotel all the way across to another ski field just over here. Like, what a perfect zip line, right? I'm gonna go up and ride the chairlift now, and there's just one thing I regret. I just wish my wife was here. But she's an Indian citizen, so it's like nearly impossible for her to get a visa to be here with me. Here we go. One thing I noticed is that absolutely everybody is just smiling and laughing and having fun. It's a real, you know, wonderland. Yeah, it's like a fairy tale wonderland. That's how I would describe it. Maybe because it's my first time and having such a great time here. You know, my first time in this type of atmosphere. But yeah, just want to come back with my wife now and show her this. And now we're walking up to like a little chai stall, like on top of the mountain here. Just look at this. We're right on the top here. Assalamu alaikum. Kya bana rahe hai? Acha, so here we have pakode and he's making tea as well. Acha, so these people are asking me to take their video for the video. आप लोग कौन हैं?
हम लोग कराची से हैं, पाकिस्तानी हैं।
हाँ,
और अभी मालम जब्बा की सैर करने आए हैं, बर्फबारी देखने आए हैं।
और ये जगह कैसा है?
VIP, बहुत मजा
है ना? सब लोग कराची से हैं?
हम कराची से।
अच्छा, सिंधी है?
फैमिली है, सारे कज़न। भाईजान, हम भी
Hey!
More like Pathan, you see? Local here.
Yeah, सही है, सही। Can't forget him, hang on. What are you doing on your own? He's scared of the girls, is he? Must be. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
It's snowing really hard now. See all the snow in here? It's everywhere. Wow. Okay, I couldn't go back to the hotel without actually riding on one of these tubes first. I want to have some fun. So, it's 100 rupees to ride on this. I don't know why he's so angry. Alright, I'm ready. I'm wearing salwar kameez doing this. Let's start off there. Whoa! Oh no, my salwar kameez is stuck underneath. I nearly took out everybody. One more. This point is pretty lame. If you want to do a bit of skiing or go on the tube here, they literally pull you along and make sure you don't fly away. I get it, it's for total beginners, people who've never ever done it before. But tomorrow, we're gonna do some real stuff. I'm gonna try to really ski, okay? Good morning, doston. It is day 2. And just look at this elevator. We're gonna do 2 things. I'm gonna learn skiing, and then we're gonna go on the giant swing. 4 hours of skiing is 3,900, and the giant swing is 5,000 rupees.
Hello sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम सर, कैसे हैं आप?
सब ठीक है
जी सर।
तो मेरा भाई
जी सर।
थोड़ी अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो?
जी सर।
लेकिन बोल सकते हैं, सॉरी। लेकिन मैं उर्दू बोल सकता हूँ, तो सब ठीक है।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। आप कैसे?
सब ठीक है भाई।
कैसे लगा मालम जब्बा?
मुझे ये जगह बहुत पसंद है।
अच्छा,
ये खूबसूरत जगह है।
जी सर। चेयर लिफ्ट आपने एंजॉय किया?
ओह वाह, शानदार था।
अच्छा सर, अभी हम जा रहे हैं जॉइंट स्विंग के लिए।
वाह,
वो भी एंजॉय करेंगे सर। उसके बाद आप स्कीइंग करेंगे। वाह,
good day man, what a good day. Yes. And I didn't know the giant swing is here. I don't know what it is actually, so we're gonna go find out. So in front of us we have the giant swing on the left, and they're working on a slingshot on the right here. This hotel chain's building everything, really promoting tourism here in this area. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure how exciting the giant swing will be, but I'll probably scream. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Welcome to Malam Jabba giant swing.
So I've done bungee jumping, I've done skydiving before, so let's see how this giant swing compares as well.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man. Oh God. Did I mention I hate heights? My stomach feels sick already. But the view, woo, it's awesome. Oh my God, I'm just being lifted up out of the air. Up into the air, I mean. Oh God, it's too high. Oh no. Oh no. Oh God, I'm gonna scream. This is really high, really high. Oh God, no, I'm gonna scream.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Perfect shot.
Yeah. I'm so scared. I hate this. Oh God. But don't look down, don't look down, okay.
Are you ready, sir?
Yeah, ready.
3,
Oh God.
1.
Breathing. Oh God. Oh God, it's scary. Oh God, don't do this. Oh, the initial fall is brutal. Oh, damn it. Why did I pay for this? Oh, stomach feels sick. I was screaming like a girl, man. Whew. So, if you want to compare it to bungee jumping and skydiving, it's most like bungee jumping. You get that initial fear that you're gonna die when you get dropped. It's quite similar to bungee jumping, pretty similar. And here's something amazing. I was the test dummy. I was literally the first customer ever.
Yes, sir.
On that swing. It just started today. So I'm still alive. And here's the review. We're just coming down for skiing now. The guy from the hotel's looking after me. And it's my first time skiing. So I can ice skate, so maybe that'll make it easier. And I can skateboard, so maybe that'll make skiing easier for me. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, there's a whole skiing store here. Cool. Snowboards as well. This is Ehsan. He is going to teach me today. Ye mera chic shak hai. So you would have seen Ehsan just laugh when I said chic shak. He don't know what it means. So yeah, they say ustaz, yeah, not chic shak. Alright, let's go down, guys. Show you what I've learned. Whoa. Weight down. I'm going too fast. Oh God. Whew. This is just my second attempt. First attempt was a success. He says weight down. I can't hear what he's saying. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Success.
सीख लिया मेरी दोस्त ने.
Feels so good. Okay, so this skiing is not so difficult. I mean, I'm finding it pretty easy. Skiing, it was fun and it was easy. It was not difficult. So, was it worth it? This hotel has the location, it has the activities, it has the food. I don't think it gets any better than this. So yeah, worth it. But most 5-star hotels, they won't have all these facilities. It won't be like this. So this place in particular is worth it. And the room upgrade was nice, but I would have been just as happy in a smaller room anyway. Now you tell me in the comments, this all cost me a slightly more than a PS5, like a PS5 and a controller. So what would you rather have? This 3-day holiday or a PS5?